this thing seems to want to muscle through just about anything. It's not a lot of snow, but I mean it's pushing quite a bit in front of it, and it doesn't seem to have any issues at all. This thing just seems to be a brute. I'm really impressed with the power it has for this plow. I mean, it can push quite a bit of snow here before it starts to spin or bog down. Okay, this is for all you Axial fans out there that want to do something a little different. I rigged up a plow to the front. It's a working plow off the 3rd channel. It's been working really well in my first test run out in the driveway, which with maybe about 1 inch of snow, but it can push quite a bit, get a pretty good load of snow in front of it. And the Axial has a lot more torque than the Blizzard ever did, so it can keep on pushing when you get a bit of snow, and it has the traction to keep pushing as well. Okay, so what I had to do, I had to create this this plate here to connect all the plow mechanism to, and bolt that to the frame of the Axial. Most of the mechanism, the plow, is identical. I just copied the mounting position or the angle from the Blizzard itself. I did have to make a much longer bar to go off the servo. That's just made of wood. I really didn't have anything readily available, so just doesn't matter what it is. I needed to fit it around this bar at the end, so it was easy just to drill it out. Use a piece of wood, paint it black. Created a mounting plate for the servo. This is the same servo that came out of the Blizzard as well. There's really not much to it other than that. I'm sorry about the wiring, I've got to clean that up still. But that's really all there is to it. One important note, if you decide to do this, make sure that you mount that nice and low, because when it's pushing, you want that to be a straight push into where it's mounted. So it sits maybe slightly lower than the front axles, or right around the same level, but this bar here is nearly parallel to the ground when it's plowing, so it's got a nice strong support coming back against that mounting plate. Otherwise, give it a try.